This is the dream. To build the world's fastest electric motorcycle, take it to the Isle of Man, the toughest, most unforgiving racetrack on the planet, and blow the competition and the skeptics away. In some ways, it's a new dream. The dream of high-tech solutions to global energy problems. The dream of a clean, green world. In other ways, it's a very old dream, one that we all know. The dream of winning. This is the reality. It's early May in Portland. The TTX GP, the world's first zero-emissions Grand Prix, is 5 weeks and 5,000 miles away. And Michael Stizz's digital superbike has yet to turn a wheel.
The biggest problem that we have is we just simply started so late. 5 months before an event is an impossible period of time. Jesus. There's 2 companies out there that have been building or running bikes for over 3 years, so they definitely have an upper hand. Mission Motors and Bramo.
Look at what we're doing here. I mean, I can't imagine where it's going to lead, right? So 20 years on, to not at least be part of this.
Still accelerating. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, very fast.
Just 1 gear?
1 gear for now.
Because we didn't have the budget to compete with the likes of these Americans. They brought a 40-foot trailer over from America with, I don't know what their budget is, but we're still going to win. Yeah, we're still going to win.
That thing I painted 3 days before we left London. I went to this local store and I picked up 15 of these cans. He had red ones the most. He was like, let's go for it. Okay, it's not going to look great, but we're there to win.
There's bikes from all over the world. Everybody's going to have a different approach on how to do it.
There was no drawings, there was no anything. We ran out of time before we started.
So you just turn the throttle and it goes?
Turn the throttle and it goes.
We're already driving technology now that wouldn't be here but for this race.
The future of motorsport has arrived.